welcome out our amazing productions company to perform something from their show, Hadestown. Give it up for Proco.
All right. All right. Once upon a time there was a railroad line. Don't ask where, brother, don't ask why. It was road to hell. It was hard times. It was the world's God. And then it's all gone. Just enough to fill our cups, living it up on top. Brother, pass that all around. We're living it up. Let the poet bless this round. Don't give your name, you don't have one, and don't look no one in the eye. That town will try to suck you dry. They'll suck your brains, they'll suck your breath, they'll suck the heart right out your chest. They'll twist you up in your Sunday best and suck your mouth to time.
Well, Pro Code, that was amazing. I'm looking forward to seeing all your guys' shows throughout the year.